Hey guys, welcome back. It's Denise. Today is going to be a Beebeecraft unboxing video. They contacted me like they did, I think, just about everybody. Some people contacted them, but they actually contacted me, told them I'd love to do a product review, so here we go. Now I want to start by saying their packaging is awesome. I know we all order from overseas, and a lot of times the packaging could be a little better. But I will tell you that they package this stuff up really nice. And I'm going to start with, okay, these. Now they're in this bag. And this bag was in this bag. And it was actually sealed. I had to cut it open. So, and I like that because all my stuff wasn't all flailing around in there. Nothing got opened. It's, you know, it's coming from China, so it's got a long route. But anyway, their packaging is great. So the first thing I got was these with the swivel. I got them in gold. I got them in silver. And I'll go ahead and tell you, the gold ones were $8.49 for 50 of them. And the silver ones were $8.15 for 50 of them. Now, I want to tell you, these are a nice size. I was a little worried they were going to be real small, you know, for the price. 50 of them for just $8 and some change. I thought they were going to be small, but these are nice size. They are at least, now let me tell you real quick. They are an inch and a quarter. So, and they're substantial. They're not all, you know, cheap, flimsy, nice. So there's the gold ones. There's the silver ones. Then I got, and this package, this little container, was in this package that I had to open. And again, the packaging was awesome because they had opened the package, I guess because it was going so far, and they taped each individual lid shut. So again, your stuff didn't fall out. I like that. That's just little detail extras that they did, which I was really impressed with. Now, these are, let me tell you how much they were. They were $11.04 for a box of these. And I do believe it doesn't have it on the packing slip, but I believe there's 100 of these. $11 for 100 of these. You cannot beat the price. What they are flat pad jewelry bales. Now, they came in the gold, silver, and bronze. Great deal on these for $11.04. Okay, the last thing I got, again, the packaging. These were $11.09 for 50 of them. They first came in that bag. Then they came in this bag, in that bag. And then each individual one of these comes in their own little bag. Excuse me, guys. So anyway, they are these beautiful hearts. They come in the clear. This beautiful, like, emerald green. I'm trying to move it so you can. And then, of course, you got to have a red heart. Okay. Now, I think these are actually made to go on them bracelets. However, that's not how I'm going to use them, but that is what they are intended for. But anyway, so there are the products that I got. And stay tuned for my project shares. They'll be coming up shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. And again, Beebeecraft, I have to say, great packaging, great pricing. So look them up. I'm sure they have everything, and you'll find something that you will love. So, thanks, guys. Stay tuned.